Hi all, today's video we will discuss about the Hive. Okay, in the previous videos we discussed about the HDFS, Hadoop, Yarn, etc. But why the Hive is introduced in the top of the Hadoop, right? I will tell you the history. Once upon a time, the Facebook faced an issue to deal with the huge amount of data. So what was the issue? Because you already know the HDFS used to store the data and the MapReduce used to process the data for the appropriate manner, right? But the problem associated with the MapReduce is that it is implemented with the help of Java code. First problem, and the second problem is code is lengthy, right? So these are the two issues the Facebook faced at that time, because Java, the user definitely or developer definitely have the expert knowledge in the Java, and the code is very high. So when we dealing with the huge amount of data, then the problem arises. They think about how it can be solved. So that they solved with the help of Hive infrastructure. The Hive, they introduce a SQL type of structure, like, okay, because small children also aware about the SQL. They think about SQL is more familiar than the Java programming, right? So that is the reason they introduce an SQL like framework, not SQL but SQL like a framework, and it is easy to use. And it is not a one more thing, very important point is, it is not a database. Hive is not a database, and Hive is a data warehouse to process the item. So that important point, not a database. And then it is used for OLAP transaction, analytical processing, not OLTP transaction, not a relational database. And after the introduction of this Hive, the Apache contributed some of the new additional feature. Then it convert that open source is known as Apache Hive. I think hope you all clear about the Hive, right?